All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's journal recap. Today is the 3rd of February, and I'm just going to be going right into it. Starting off, my bias for the day was bullish. The reason for that is because if we look at the 4-hour chart, we open up a lot of 4-hour gaps below us, right? So we have a lot of 4-hour bullish PDRAs. And also above us, we can see that we have this 4-hour intermediate high that is a really good target to tap into. But, just to make knowledge of it, ES actually already ended up taking it out right here. So 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock, right? ES already took it out. So it is somewhat of an SMT. But in my head, we didn't really reject off of it yet. Ignore that. We didn't really reject off of that SMT or had a really rapid reaction to it. So I was just gonna be honestly, I just ignored it. I don't really know. I just ignored it because coming into the day, right? If you look at like London session and just like that, hourly time frame, if we can get that, please. Yeah, the last few days we've just been continuously bullish, so I just expected to continue that trend. But yeah, so let me actually show you my drawings now. Great. So coming into the day, I wanted something like a sweep into this 4-hour and then continue higher. We did open up basically a premium 4-hour discount. Sorry, we opened up a 4-hour premium and a 4-hour discount. So I wanted to see at least one of them get tapped into and then a inversion to the upside targeting that low resistance, as you can see here. Right. We have low resistance liquidity. So something like that, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna get into it and just wait until market opens. I'll show you what I mean. And as you can see here, right, we still establish low resistance liquidity. 9:30 opens and we dump, right? If 9:30 opened and we swept all the way up to London highs or had some form of like retracement up, right? Then I would be inclined to say, okay, we might be bullish for the day, but that didn't really happen. We just swept lower, took out this hourly intermediate low, and then we ended up sweeping into the 4-hour discount, right? The 4-hour discount down here, right? I'm not crazy, right? So yeah, from there, I'm like, okay, cool. Do I have any type of inversion? Because this is the trading leg, right? Yeah, we have a 2-minute right here that opened up. Sweet, awesome. In the same thing, or in the same like time frame, so 9:44, we see that ES also tapped into right here. We see ES also tap into the premium 4-hour actually. So this is a premium right here, up here, 4-hour, right? So ES, wait, actually, I'm getting confused. This is not right. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm sorry. ES manages to sweep into this premium 4-hour right here at 9:44. You get the idea. And then we have basically an inversion to the upside, right? So I entered, market order right there. We also open up a 5-minute gap that is unfilled. So what does that mean, right? It's a Mech long. We have a good viable target. We just swept into this 4 higher time frame. ES also swept into some kind of liquidity pool, being that 4-hour premium, right? So, and we also look at this, like literally look at this, right? We have equal highs. We have equal highs here. We have great like resistance that we could take out above us. It's not like we're just generating liquidity at this point. So I'm like, all right, cool. Like this is a valid trade, all the way up to that London high. And so, I took the trade. Obviously, that's like there's really nothing else to say. I just took the trade. Um, Risked 250, and then I ended up losing. Obviously, so the bias was wrong. Overall bias was wrong. The trade was valid, but yeah, it's just price just wanted to go lower. And yeah, that's it. Hope I didn't confuse y'all, but yeah. All right. Peace. That's it. I just took the loss. Called it a day.